Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope you all are fine and everybody is fine at home. I just hope you all are working hard toward your studies. Okay, firstly, I should provide you the details. I think you can see the date 19/1/22. Class 12C. Subject psychology. Revision we are doing. In terms of the revision, I am discussing with you chapter attitude and social coordination. Attitude and social coordination. So this is our chapter name, attitude and social coordination. Where in the last video I had discussed with you about attitude. Then I discussed with you the components of attitude as well as the features. Now today in this video I am going to discuss with you topic attitude formation. Attitude formation. Attitude formation. There is one more concept which is related to it, that is attitude change. But firstly, I discuss with you attitude formation. How we form an attitude. हम ये जो एटीट्यूड है, ये जो थॉट्स है, ये ओपिनियन है, बिलीफ है, ये कैसे बना लेते हैं? कैसे? So there is two things regarding this one you all have to study. The first is process and second is factors. Process of attitude formation. And next is factors influencing attitude formation. Process of attitude formation and the factors influencing attitude formation. सबसे पहला टॉपिक है एटीट्यूड फॉर्मेशन का प्रोसेस क्या है? व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस? So let's first discuss about the process. Process की मीनिंग होती है, it was trying to explain that how we form an attitude. So there are so many ways through which we form an attitude. बहुत से ऐसे तरीके हैं जिससे कि हम एटीट्यूड फॉर्म करते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी लर्नड. यस चिल्ड्रन, वी लर्नड. We learn how to think, how to behave and how to feel. Most of the time we learn attitude. But the question arises, how we learn attitude? Firstly, learn through association. Second, learn through reward and punishment. Learn through reward and punishment. First is learn through association. Second is learn through reward and punishment. Third, learn through group and cultural norms. Learn through group and cultural norms. Then learn through media. These are some of the points, or I can say that, through which the learning takes place. We learn an attitude through association. We learn to form an attitude through reward and punishment. We learn an attitude through group and culture norm. We learn an attitude through media. We learn through observation. We learn through observation. So these are the ways of learning. These are the medium and the source of learning through which we form an attitude. Please note down the points. I hope you all have noted down. So one by one I am going to explain it. The first is learn through association. How through association we form an attitude. I think you all knows about it, children, and I already teach you this topic. I am just doing the revision again. So we learn attitude through association means, like, one of the example which is given in your book also. Like if the child or if the student like any subject teacher, like means the teaching of the subject teacher, the teaching methodology of the subject teacher, the student may start liking the subject also, because the child associated that particular subject teacher to that subject. So the attitude is formed through association. Attitude is formed through association. Now, what is the other way through which the attitude is formed? The other way is attitude is formed, and many times we learn the attitude through association. Like for example, if any particular group, अगर कोई ग्रुप बनी है और वो ग्रुप रॉन्ग है और उसमें भी कुछ लोग बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, तो we consider that each and every individual is like the same. So we learn and we form an attitude through association. Second is the learn through reward and punishment. Learn through reward and punishment. Most of the time we learn or we form an attitude on the basis of reward and punishment. Suppose अगर आपको किसी भी चीज़ के लिए रिवॉर्ड मिल रहा है तो आप में ये एटीट्यूड, ये थॉट फॉर्म होगा कि इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग एंड आई शुड रिपीट इट अगेन. बट अगर किसी भी चीज़ के लिए आपको पनिशमेंट मिल रही है फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर टास्क, यू हैव अ लर्निंग that and you form an attitude that this is a thing which is wrong, which I should not repeat it again. So learning through association, learning through reward and punishment. The next is we learn attitude through group and cultural norm. Sorry, I had mistaken it. I am improving it. So we learn through group and cultural norm. जिस भी ग्रुप में हम रहते हैं, जिस भी कल्चर में हम रहते हैं, that very much determine our thought, our feeling and our behavior. There is no doubt behind that. And I think that you all are better understand. You all are the class 12 student. You also have so many experiences behind you. So recollect those experiences and try to find out the examples from your daily life. So we learn an attitude through reward and through our group or culture now. Like suppose in any culture, the members are given the freedom to think and to decide their own decisions of their life. So the members also have such kind of attitude. But in some of the culture where the members are not freed to take their own decision, they have to ask it for some head member. So their attitude and thought will be like that. So very much the group and the culture norm determine our attitude. The next is we learn through observation. Yeah, attitude are also formed on the basis of observation. दूसरों को देख के भी हम वैसा ही, जैसे अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल if someone has an attitude or the negative attitude toward any group, okay, he is, the particular person is behaving like this, so I am also behaving like this. So that is what is that? That is a learning through observation. We form an attitude through observation. And last but not the least, the important formation of attitude is mass media. No doubt media has a very influential effect on each and every aspect of an individual, and it is affecting everyone's life. मीडिया का बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस होता है. मीडिया includes so many things: radio, television, newspaper, internet. So this has an influence on the people. So these are the things which has an influence on our attitude. So is it clear what are the processes of attitude formation? Now moving to the next part of this one. What are the factors influencing attitude formation? Factors means who are the person who are responsible in forming an attitude. कौन से ऐसे पर्सन हैं जो जिनकी वजह से एटीट्यूड फॉर्म होता है? Who are the person who is responsible in forming an attitude? तो इसमें क्या क्या आएंगे? इसमें आएगा फैमिली, स्कूल, रेफरेंस ग्रुप, मास मीडिया, फैमिली, स्कूल, रेफरेंस ग्रुप, मास मीडिया. So these are some of the factors which influencing attitude formation. Family, school, reference group, mass media. ये सारे responsible हैं attitude formation में. Family is always came first because the maximum time the person spend in the family and surrounded with the family persons, the family members. So the first exposure of the person is the family only. So जिस भी environment में वो रह रहा है वो बहुत हद तक उसके attitude को, family बहुत हद तक person के attitude को form करने में influence करती है. Okay? After the family, what comes? It comes the school, where the term who came in the school, peer groups. Which has a lot of influence in the formation of attitude. स्कूल का बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस होता है पर्सन के एटीट्यूड फॉर्मेशन में. Then come the after the school is the reference group. I think you also very much agree that किसी भी चीज़ को like suppose attitude toward the school, attitude toward the teachers, attitude toward the management, attitude toward any kind of activity that people most of the time form from their peer group. And the next factor which influencing in the attitude formation is reference group. Reference group are those group which are out of your family and school environment, which do not come under the family or school. ऐसी चीज़ें जो फैमिली और स्कूल में नहीं आएंगी, जैसे अगर आपने क्लब ज्वाइन किए हो और यू आर द पार्ट ऑफ कोचिंग, ट्यूशन, एनीथिंग एल्स, or any hobby classes you have joined, any classes, any courses you have joined. So that is also one of the group from where you are learning. So that all come under the reference group. That is also a group from where you are learning, from where you are forming an attitude. That is known as reference group. So family is there, school is there, reference group is there. Next is the mass media again. Have a greater role in influencing or in the formation of an attitude. In media, if I talk about the media, there are so many advertisements are coming which obviously they are making in such a manner, the persons who are sitting over there, who are doing the management of making such kind of ad, and they have a marketing skill, so they obviously trying to understand the psychology of the people. And through that, they are doing such kind of ad and influencing the people's attitude. Obviously, you might have seen that अगर कोई person कुछ समय तक ये ad कर रहा है कि Horlicks are very good for the child health, अगर वही person change कर देता है, now it's saying that Complan or the Bonvita is very good for health, the people's attitudes are also changed. People also form, okay, that was not good, it is good, that was bad. So मीडिया का बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस पड़ता है पर्सन की एटीट्यूड के फॉर्मेशन में. So here in this video I have discussed with you two of the topics, and overall I have discussed with you and done the revision of the topic attitude formation. I hope you understood it. Okay. After going through this video, if you find any doubt, children, discuss with me in the classroom. Don't hesitate in asking the questions. So many times I repeated it. Then go through your NCERT. I always tell you and guide you, go through your NCERT. After seeing this or after watching this video about the attitude formation, so go through your NCERT again line by line and come up in the class with your doubts. So I hope today in this video you understand about the topic attitude formation. This is a question which was asked in the previous year paper so many times. So it is a very important topic for you all to understand that how we form an attitude. We form an attitude through association, through observation, through reward and punishment, through group or cultural norms, through mass media. The influence of mass media. And the people who are helping you to form an attitude or who are responsible, you can say, or contributing it in forming an attitude. Your parents, your family members, school, peer groups, mass media, any kind of reference group, your culture. So these all things help you to form an attitude. So here in this video I discuss with you how you form an attitude. Now in the next video I am going to discuss with you how the attitude change. हमने ये तो जाना कि attitude कैसे form हुआ, कौन कौन है जो इसे form कर रहा है. Now ये change कैसे हो रहा, ये हम next video में discuss करेंगे. Okay? Thank you so much.